afternoon, everyone. I represent browntape.com. We are enabling multi-channel e-commerce in India. Thanks to FDI and other restrictions, Indian e-commerce is rapidly moving towards the marketplace model. There are 6 major marketplaces in India today. More than 50,000 sellers, merchants selling on them. A lot of these merchants are selling on more than one website, at times even 5 or 6 websites. We spoke to a lot of them and realized that they are living in Excel sheet hell. Every morning they have to log into these 5 different sites, manually copy-paste orders into their central Excel sheet. I was recently with a merchant and he has a 50 MB Excel sheet. It takes him about 5 minutes to just fire it up on his machine. That's not a way to run an online business in 2013, which is why we are introducing Browntape. We integrate with all of these marketplaces such that the orders of a merchant neatly flow into one single console. There is no need to log in multiple sites. There is no need to maintain an Excel sheet. All the orders are right here. And then all your shipping, I'm sorry, I keep pressing the wrong button. All your shipping related tasks are all one click. The merchants get a common sales dashboard which cuts across all of their channels, and they get a centralized inventory. They could be getting orders from anywhere. The central inventory levels go down here. Because of these features and more, we've been able to help merchants save a hell of a lot of time, reduce costs by reducing their mistakes basically, and help them increase sales because now with the same operational infrastructure, they can sell on many more sites. We have just the right team to crack this problem. My co-founders Piyush and Ian are PhDs, and they have been selling online for about 7 years. They faced the same problem and they built a tool called Scrobble.com to help themselves. Hundreds of merchants also use this tool. I have been heading a company called Dothead, which did strategic web projects with the largest companies in India. And we are super excited about the latest addition to our team, Vispi Davar, who joins us as a mentor. He is a Silicon Valley VC and has a lot of experience with SaaS-based companies. Ours is a proven business model. Most mature markets have more than one companies solving this problem. We see a clear gap in India, and we are solving it the India way. We opened our gates to merchants about 6 weeks back. We did a very controlled outreach program. We got phenomenal open rates and click rates on our email campaigns, which tell us that there's a clear demand in the market. And we've been able to garner about 94 trial signups. These guys have added 103 channels like eBay and Amazon to the system. 7.9 crores worth of orders have already flown through our system. And we're quite excited about that. But where do we go now? Our ultimate aim is to be an ERP for internet merchants. We want to give them tools to solve problems of most of their problem areas, right from procurement going up to finance and taxation. But of course, we need your support for this to be a reality. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, I'm Tinu. I'm the founder of